When preparing for your trip with a baby, it's crucial to pack essential items such as diapers, formula, and pacifiers to ensure their comfort during the journey. Additionally, checking the airline's policy on baby equipment and amenities is important for a hassle-free experience. Considering booking a bassinet for long-haul flights can provide your baby with a comfortable sleeping space and make the journey more manageable. Navigating the airport with a baby requires careful planning. Arriving early is essential to avoid rushing and alleviate stress for both you and your baby. If available, utilizing family-friendly security lanes can streamline the security screening process, saving time and effort. Additionally, taking advantage of priority boarding for families allows for more time to settle in and organize your belongings, ensuring a smoother boarding experience for you and your baby. Ensuring in-flight comfort for your baby involves strategic seat selection to have easy access to amenities and facilitate care during the journey. Comforting your baby during takeoff and landing is crucial to alleviate ear pressure, so having soothing techniques at the ready can make a significant difference. It's important to be mindful of your baby's feeding and napping schedule to maintain their comfort and routine while traveling. Dealing with unexpected situations while traveling with a baby involves being prepared for potential turbulence or delays by having extra supplies such as diapers and snacks readily available. In case of any challenges, staying calm is essential, and don't hesitate to seek assistance from flight attendants if needed. Bringing along a familiar toy or blanket can provide comfort and familiarity to soothe your baby during unforeseen moments. Upon arriving at your destination, taking the time to organize your belongings before disembarking the plane can help ensure a smooth transition. Checking for designated facilities for baby care at the airport is important to attend to your baby's needs and ensure their comfort. As you transition from the flight to your final destination, being flexible and patient is key, allowing for unexpected delays or changes in plans as you navigate through the airport and beyond.